Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Kingdom Coin on Trust Wallet. You can buy Kingdom Coin on Trust Wallet through the decentralized exchange like PancakeSwap. So here is a guide how you can do it. First of all, make sure that you have some BNB in your Trust Wallet. You can buy the BNB on a centralized exchange like Binance and transfer it to your Trust Wallet or use a third-party services. Simply launch open your Trust Wallet application and sign into it, and also make sure you have some BNB on your account. Now, open up a web browser on the same device and type in pancakeswap.finance/swap and search. After you end up in this page, click on the Connect button at the top right corner and select Wallet Connect from the options. Choose Trust Wallet. From Connect Your Wallet tab, click on Open in the pop-up, and this will then open up Trust Wallet application. Under Connect app, scroll down and click on Connect at the bottom right. Once you connect your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap, get back to your web browser where you have signed into pancakeswap.finance, and then make sure that you are inside the Swap tab after connecting to Pancake. After you get to the Swap tab, right where you can see the first drop down, simply tap on it and then select BNB from the list. You can also go to the top right corner and tap on this little drop down and select BNB chain. After you select BNB from the UPay tab, go to the next field, and then right where you can see the cake option, click on the drop down and choose the Kingdom Coin or TKC in the search box. Once you tap on TKC, enter the amount of TKC you want to buy. After you do that, you will see the estimated amount of BNB required for the swap, including the fees. If this is your first time buying TKC, you might need to approve the TKC token in your Trust Wallet, review and confirm it. After you get to this page, you will be able to see a swap button at the bottom if you have enough BNB balance on your account. Simply tap on swap, make sure you double check the transaction details, including the amount of TKC you are receiving or the transaction fees at the bottom. And finally, after clicking on swap, you will be able to buy Kingdom Coin on Trust Wallet. Remember that there will be gas fees associated with this swap on the Binance Smart Chain network. Ensure you have enough BNB to cover these fees as well. So that's how you will be able to buy Kingdom Coin on Trust Wallet in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.